Hola, Señora Vaz here with instructions for today. Today, we're gonna work on the project 6. And the project 6 is based on what we're seeing now about likes and dislikes. So the name of the project is ¿Qué te gusta hacer? What do you like to do? ¿Qué te gusta hacer? So for your actividad inicial, the first thing that you had to do was to complete this activity. You go to SpanishParents.com. You're familiar with that. Once you get your score, it has to be at least 80%. You take a screenshot and submit it in the discussion. You go to the discussion. How do I submit it, Ms. Bass? You go to the reply, as you usually do, to type, but instead of typing, you're gonna go right here where it says upload media. Excuse me. Here where it says images, you click right there. You say upload image, and then you click on the rocket. You find your image. You open the image, and then you click submit, and there's going to be your image, and then you click post reply, and I'm going to receive your image. So that's what you had to do to submit the results for your warm-up. That is the explanation for ¿Qué te gusta hacer? You're going to create a Padlet. It's a new tool. You know that I like trying new tools. This one is more simple than the Prezi. That was a complication for some. And what you're going to do is you're going to write 5 things. You're going to find 5 things that you like to do or you don't like to do. And I put some examples there. And then you are going to include the pictures to illustrate. So activities, picture, you complete your Padlet. You're very creative with your poster. It's an electronic poster. And then you submit it here on Canvas. I put instructions on how to create a Padlet right here. So you have all your instructions.
Hello.
So you have a video for the instructions. And also I put an example right here. So there is your example that I made. It's very simple. So you just follow the directions in the video on how to create a Padlet. You put what you have to do and how to do it is in the video. We're going to try to, if you have any questions, as usual, I'm here to answer your questions and to help you with anything that you need. So please let me know if you have questions. I hope you enjoyed this project. Hasta pronto.